Welcome guys. Let me do technical analysis and price prediction of Cryptorial for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, if you want to hire me as your portfolio manager, you can email me. My email address is in this video's comment section. And guys, if you want to buy my altcoin list for 100x return, these coins can be 100x, can be 75x, can be 50x in this bull run. If you want to buy the list of these coins, you can email me too. Let's dive into the content. Tutorial. Ticker is TUT. Trading price right now is 4.3 cent. All-time high price is 6.3 cent, and right now trading price is 4.3 cent and spot is 3.6 cent. Look at this wick. Look at this candle. A huge candle of Binance listing. Now what will be the next price action? I think it can face resistance at this level, 4.5 cent, 4.6 cent. Let me please draw this. 4.5, 4.6 cent is a resistance level. You can set 4.6 cent is a resistance. And next is 5.9 cent and 6.3 cent. I think maybe its price can move like this. To be very, if you want to buy it for long-term holding, I think you can buy at 2.6 cent. And this zone too, around 2 cent price level, this area. Sorry for inconvenience. This is the area. So there are the buying levels, 2 cent, 2.6 cent, and final buying can be this area, 1.1 cent. I'm not saying that price is going to straightforwardly hit these levels, but after some accumulation or sideways moves, these price levels can be achieved by this token, because if its price break its all-time high, in that case next target is very clear. First of all, let me please show you buying levels. Here you can let me please show you next levels. Here you can see if its price break its all-time high price again, in that case our target is 8 cent. Next is around 20 cent, this area, and final target can be 30 cent for this bull run. So our bull run targets are, as per current data, are 8 cent, 20 cent, and 30 cent. These are the buying levels. Sorry, these are the selling levels and price target as per current data. So we have to wait for the price drop. If its price drops to this zone, we can get 750% profit. If price drops to 2 cent price level, we can get 1400% profit. And if its price hit 1.1 cent, which I think it can, then we can get 25x from this coin. And according to the current market cap, its price can be 25x in this bull run. It's depend on BTC move. That's it guys. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon right now. Take care guys.